how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. First, if you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just open your browser and now click the 3 points here and click history, and that's it. Now just scroll down and now just click here, clear browsing data, and go to basic, select all time and select all of those here and click clear data, and after that just close your browser and then turn off your PC, shut down and turn it on again, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.